How's it going, everyone? Mateo Docarmo here. Today I got something real fun planned. I got my fishing poles packed. It is a day for fishing today. I'm very excited. It is 6:30 in the morning. I'm about to head out to the lake. I'm fishing with two of my buddies, Alex and Nick. I am running a little bit late, so I'm gonna hurry up with this. Today, the name of the game, we're gonna try to catch one fish big enough to eat and grill it right on the spot. So I got my coals, I got my fishing poles, I got my bait, I got everything ready. I'm excited. I want to catch this fish. Like I said, one fish to grill and eat is the name of the game today. That's all we're gonna go for. I'm very, very excited. I want to fish. I love fishing. If you know me, I'm always fishing if I can. So, without further ado, I'm gonna go meet up with them. We're gonna get some fishing. We're gonna get some setting up, and we're gonna eat some fish, and you're gonna see it all. Let's go. I'll see you guys there. I should have done this last night. This is gonna take too long.
Don't tell me. Buddy, the fucking golden rule, my guy. The golden rule you have neglected.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, boy. This is the lure for right now. Good old panther mod. I switched the bait to one that you can leave in the water so I can set up the catfish pole. So I'm not going to show you guys me setting up that one because the other one took so long. But I'm going to set this up.
That shit. Oh, dude, I had him hooked in the claw right there.
Now we wait.
3 hours later.
I'm starting to lose hope. The fish whisperer himself. Does it feel big, Alex?
It's pretty nice, man.
At least we got dinner now. Hey. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Thanks, sir.
We got some food today. It's kind of handy. Show the fish.
What you got on there, bud?
Catfish, first one. Let's go. Wait, pulling.
On that 6-pound test, eh?
He's pulling you, bro.
You're eating that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We're at 2 catfish so far. 0 trout. Oh. Alex literally just hooked one. You said it's a nice one?
Pretty nice one, yeah.
Oh, it's splashing over there. Today. That's a nice one. It was a big one.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Yo, that is fat. So we're at 5 total catfish. 3 for Alex, 2 for me. We left the poles over there, a bit risky, but we're gonna stop by the shop because we want some trout. That's the prized possession when it comes to cooking freshly. But we'll take some catfish if that's what it comes to. So, taking this little hike. Got the boys in front of me. I'm gonna stop by the store. Don't yell at me. Don't yell at me. I'm sorry. That's all I had. So this is the part I hate most about anything when it comes to fishing. Now it's time to pick the fish that we're gonna eat and get them ready to cook, if you know what I mean. So probably gonna pick the biggest one and Alex will take the rest home. Alex always takes the fish home.
I already looked at it.
We got the catfish.
Oh my god,
here.
dude.
And we got the oil right here.
Oh, his whiskers are turning up.
Grill, grill, grill. That's weird, cooking this fish. Alex, the fish whisperer himself, hooks onto another fish. Of course. The ranger said park's closed. But he let us stay for an extra 45 minutes to finish the fish. We just can't be fishing, but you know how it is. And it's almost fried up. Yo, make sure we save it. Taste test time. A little bit of lime, lemon. That's actually really good. No lie. And he got a fish filming that clip for me.
No, but nice.
What do you think of catfish?
That was very good.
Very good.
A little oily.
So as you can probably tell, it's a whole new day. After fishing, my energy is absolutely drained. I got home, I couldn't do anything except literally go to sleep. At the end of the day, we caught 10 total catfish. Unfortunately, we got 0 trout. That's the money fish when it comes to grilling and cooking. But we got the catfish. We still were able to cook it. Alex took the rest of the catfish home. He spreads it out throughout his whole family. They all love catfish, so it's a win-win. Trout season is coming up, so I am excited because once I catch a trout big enough, I am glad to share with you guys, and that is the fish that you want to eat. Other than that, it was a great day. We got what we wanted. We did what we wanted. Shout out to Alex and Landy for letting me record it, and they actually did a lot of the work for me. So shout out to them. I love fishing if you haven't noticed, so there obviously will be more fishing videos. Sorry there was no fitness in it, but I just want to show you what I like to do outside of fitness. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you can, show some support. I'll see you guys in the next video, and as always, stay positive.